Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a Hoover washing machine flashing error E08, especially on the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's often something you can fix at home. Let's dive in and get your machine running smoothly again. First off, what exactly is error E08? In Hoover washing machines, this code typically signals an issue with the water system. It might mean the machine is detecting an overfill, a problem with the water level sensor, or even a blockage in the drain. This is common in models from 2025 onwards, so if you just got a new one, you're not alone in seeing this. Now, let's talk about the possible causes. The most frequent culprits include a kinked or clogged drain hose, which prevents water from draining properly. Another is an overloaded machine. Maybe you packed in too many clothes, causing the water to overflow. It could also be a faulty pressure switch or even a simple electrical glitch. Alright, time for the good part. Troubleshooting steps. Start by unplugging your washing machine and waiting about 5 minutes to reset it. This often clears temporary errors. Next, check the drain hose for any bends or blockages, straighten it out and ensure it's not kinked. Then, inspect the filter at the bottom of the machine. Clean out any lint or debris that's built up. If your machine has a self-clean cycle, run that. Also, make sure you're not overloading it. Follow the capacity guidelines in your manual. If these steps don't work, it might be time to call a professional technician, as there could be an underlying issue like a defective sensor. Remember, always prioritize safety when dealing with appliances. To prevent error E08 from happening again, regularly maintain your machine. Clean the filters every few months. Avoid overstuffing loads, and check hoses periodically. That way, your Hoover will keep chugging along without interruptions. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy home repair tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.